Jonathan make me feel not I should speak English or Chinese, because he can speak both. So thanks, Jonathan, for the introduction. So welcome all of you to Hangzhou, to our Future Web Forum, and also thanks all for coming. Thanks for the speakers, so preparing your talk. It's very looking forward to have this discussion in this forum. And also, I would also like to thank the organizer, especially from my colleagues Liu Yutao's team, to organize this event. So I think this is a great opportunity to be here to discuss the future web technology. So before starting this forum, I would like to share maybe some more information about Huawei's vision on the future web. So I think everybody knows that Huawei now is building a new ecosystem. It's a very challenging task. So now it's almost there, I want to say. So if you look into the recent data from the devices are using the OpenHarmony NEXT. So now, yesterday I found actually now we have 15 million devices are using the Harmony NEXT. The users, I'm saying. So this is actually now growing very fast. So when we exceed the number of 10 million, now it's going to very fast. So I believe that in the near future now, the OpenHarmony and the Harmony NEXT will be 1/3 of the smart device operating system in the world, could be comparable with the iOS, Android. So that's actually now the biggest thing in Huawei. So this is also very important to our CBG department. So I want to say, because my lab is responsible for the web technology stack in the OpenHarmony. So I think during the building the OpenHarmony, in the last 3 years, I think web technology actually plays a very important role in the ecosystem. It's very important when we try to port all the super apps like WeChat, like Alipay, like Jingdong. We found they are using web technology underlying, especially for the mini app scenarios. And also this web technology is very important to the user experience. So we are also thinking about how to build the future web on OpenHarmony. So we're actually now collaborating with the Igalia on the several project in this open source community. The reason of doing such kind of thing is that as now currently we are still using Chrome web kernel. So actually Chrome web kernel I think is not so, it's open source, but it's not so open. I want to say it's not so independent. So we want to have an independent web kernel to support our business. Of course, not just any independent, but also want to build a new some competitiveness comparing to the Chrome projects. I think the opportunity is actually the scenario changes and the people are using web technology is starting to change. So I think Chrome project is very good, a very successful project, but still in the future with the AI coming and with our scenario changing, like especially in China, we have mini app. We are not using browser every day, and now we are accessing all the service from the mini app. So I think the web kernel should have some new opportunity here. And also I would like to thank our partners from the Igalia. Actually, I think in the last 2 years, we made lots of great progress on this project, especially thanks for supporting OpenHarmony to make server be able to run on the OpenHarmony. And also we have some very nice demo, with server on the OpenHarmony project. So we are showing we are able to make server to run on Huawei smartphone with OpenHarmony. So this is very nice. I think that's just a starting point. So I think it's still far from to making the server really commercialized in the Huawei products, but we are approaching this target. Yeah, so that's very important. I also want to say that how to attract more developers to join this community, to join the server community. The biggest thing is actually you should have some industry company to really support this, to really make this project to reach to our normal device users. That's very important. If actually this happens and more developers will come to join this community to make it bigger and better in the future. I think Chrome actually experienced such kind of stages. So I believe in the future with the help of you guys, with the developers, and with the support from our company, from Huawei, and the OpenHarmony ecosystem, I think this would happen in one day. Yeah, I believe this. Yeah. So the last thing I want to say actually is that for the server community, I think now Huawei also invest a lot, and now I think Jonathan and Ye Zizhen, now they become the committer in the project. So we start to invest more and more in this project. Then the reason is also in China, we found actually for the experts who actually really, understand the web kernel, there's not so many such kind of experts. I think also with the Soul project, we want to train more and more real experts with the knowledge of the expert. I think in Europe, in US, with lots of people now are contributing to current project. There's lots of experts. Well, we would like to learn from them, from this small project. Because with small project, you are able to catch up with the details in more quick way. So that's actually the other reason we want to, with developing the project, we want to learn. We want to really understand the black box and to open it. That's very important for us as well. So last thing is actually with the AI coming, I think what AI will bring us to the web technology. I think there's lots of challenge and new opportunity here, and maybe the architecture should be changed. And I think AI will bring more intelligent or better user experience for the web. So what kind of kernel should provide for this kind of AI, change? So I think we can work together to explore what's going on there. So with this kind of lightweight or without any historical, overhead, maybe we can go faster in the AI era, on the Soul project. So that's something we can imagine maybe in the future. Yeah. So thanks all for coming to Hangzhou. So Hangzhou is a very nice city, and the hotel is also very close to the very famous landscape, West Lake. So maybe you guys can enjoy the beautiful city and have a nice day in China. Thanks all. Yeah.